The COVID-19 threat presented the government administration with yet unknown challenges. There was an immediate need for a support system which would, on one hand, have advanced analytical capabilities and, on the other hand, would present the occurring events in an easy-to-understand manner. The response of the Government Center for Security was the preparation of the GISCOVID-19 system, based on GIS software from Esri.
The purpose of creating the geoinformation system was to support administration in fighting against COVID-19 pandemic. How did we achieve it? By building a system for crisis management entities in which we provide all necessary data related to the epidemiological situation. It was also a forecast of epidemic spread in Poland. Moreover, we ran the pilot of an application monitoring the number of free beds in the hospital for patients with COVID-19. On the other hand, the idea was to provide the public with access to map of coronavirus infection and vaccination process.
Here at ICM University of Warsaw, we have created a computational model for predicting epidemic spread in Poland. The model was integrated with the tools prepared in Polish governmental administrations. The model allows for forecasting number of new cases and the assets of medical care systems needed to handle the epidemics. Also, we can study the effects of the measures planned or instituted during the pandemic waves.
Together with Governmental Center for Security and Ministry of Health, we prepared the application which monitor free beds in the hospital in a COVID unit. This application monitors also the parameters of the patients with the vital signs. This application is improving the work of the personnel in a hospital and now become a very nice tool for monitoring in all units in our hospital.
The GISCOVID-19 system using Esri ArcGIS technology provided support to public administration units and provided emergency services with the necessary data to fight the pandemic. In Poland, it was the first implementation of the so-called Esri disaster response program. Thanks to the data published on the governmental site, we can say that many Poles have practically used the system.
GIS systems are perfect for integrating different types of geospatial data, including satellite data and those from drones. Monitoring of fire in Biebrze National Park in 2020 is a perfect example of this application.
The system, developed by Government Center for Security, is an effective tool not only for fighting against COVID-19 pandemic. It can be useful for counteracting various threats at all phases of crisis management. The system is currently named GIS National Security. The main goal is to build situation awareness by monitoring and analyzing the most significant threats to national security, including those related to the war in Ukraine, but also threats and disasters, both natural and man-made.